Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack ezintsha that have been going around in the socials. Ukhet Matlala was evicted in some offices in Menlyn. Guys, it's not some joke, okay? Yeah, most actually, you must just forget it and move on, do your life. Like how he's gonna do now that he's in jail. And it doesn't look like it's gonna come out anytime soon. Hi, guys, before I continue, someone was calling Ukhet Matlala Lucifer. I was like, guys, it's a extra manje. It's a lot. So, Gauteng High Court has evicted Uvusumuzi Ukhet Matlala from Menlyn main towers with immediate effect. They were just like, Puma. Please put this Pumele. Anyways, like it doesn't even matter. It's like, please, why are you even having offices running? I'm sure Utakana was running them, the wife, I guess, But please, it's over, guys. Is this his downfall? Yeah, I think so. We're done. When you're dark, no, someday it will come to you. It's just dark, this guy. These things are just dark. I'm just like, please. It's not even I'm judging him, but it's the truth, guys. I mean, it's over. And they said that he doesn't even owe more than 250,000. So I'm just assuming with some time about 230, 240, we don't know. But it's definitely not less than 200,000. And but hey, it's not more than 250,000. So you must pay up or leave. He is owing since July, and his list was cancelled. Eventually, he was kicked out from that office. Guys, you know what? It's not even funny, but I mean, it's life. Ukuthi you got that tender, 360 million ngamanga and fake irregularities of craziness. It doesn't matter. Stand up. But your life is done, actually.